What's up, guys? It's me, Sky, and today we are logging in a new. I'm logging in to my very first Sky server. What are these? Guys, why is it the arms are invisible? See? Wow. So grab a light. Yeah, guys, I was off camera, guys. I'm so sorry. I was not on off camera. I built this server and I just found my own house. Oh wow! But sadly, I just wasted that. I'm pretty new to this server. This is only imaginary friends server. If you have the wild update, you can. Oh wow! I built this room. It took me 1 hour and it's so beautiful. This mud pack is actually so. I'll show you why. Look, Moo Bloom, so cute. I respawned them because I'm creative. Oh wow. You're not allowed to go here because it's a little bit dangerous. Why did you shoot that guy? And here are my villagers. Don't mind this, guys. Wow, we're villagers. So guys, oh no! Guys, I just discovered something. You go here. It sounds like a liquid. It's so ew. Why is it like this, guys? Search through this mod pack, guys. I don't know what kind of mod pack this is. But also, warning. If you do this in survival, see this, you will die. Wait, what?
It relieves germs that can cause cavities, plaque, and disease. Listerine don't care. It kills up to 99.9% of germs. THC, gums, and your whole mouth. Get nothing but Listerine.
Okay, let's go. No, not yet. Click on with just a. What's wrong with this fish? Wow, lots of strange things are happening. Yeah. 5. This is a little bit. A lot of slimes are showing up. A lot of these pillars are here. I don't know what's causing it. What about this? Yeah, I got one. But guys, the weirdest thing happened. I got this, okay? Don't speak about this room before I already got one. this is my first YouTube channel in my yeah, I will post this. Here it is. Yeah, I built this farm. It's so cute and adorable. And here, this one. Search this mod pack down below. Oh wow, it's so cute. So guys, I'm pretty sorry. I need to say goodbye. Bye guys. Make sure to like and subscribe. And what's happening here? Don't hit that. Run! Oh, um, I think this. I don't know what's going on. Why are they fighting? Hmm. I think I should get the big boy. Guys, what just happened? They started fighting. Guys, give me a comment down below, okay guys?